Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today I just wanted to say a heartwarming thank you once again for all of your support and following. We're starting to really climb in our views, 4.6 million views as of a few days ago, I believe, last time I checked. 38,000 subscribers, which is a huge improvement. And our website traffic is up 40%. So maybe this is a result of the virus. People are staying home and fixing up their room. I know my appointments are up drastically. Yesterday I had 20 calls, 20 appointments. So whatever the reason, we just wanted to say thank you. And in return for your support and following, we want to extend our ACDA 10 studio offer, which we really just had reserved for our 38,000 subscribers. But as of this video now, we'd like to extend it to include everybody out there. So we're giving a free shipping to anywhere in the continental United States if you buy 4 of our ACDA 10 units at the retail price of $900. So times 4, you'd be at $3,600, and then we would cover the shipping. Only in the continental United States. If you're in Europe, no reason to ask, because the shipping would be thousands, and I couldn't make this work. I can barely make this work now financially, but I think this is a good way to help those that have been following and supporting us, and those of you that want to buy our units, but the shipping can be quite extensive. 4 units would be over 1,100 pounds. So this will be a big relief for you, because we'll cover the shipping in anywhere in the continental United States for free. So kind of our way of saying thank you for all the views and the subscribers, and stay healthy, please, and keep safe. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get through this. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.